Hey troopers, what's up? It's me, Darren, and I'm out here at Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We're on the riverfront right now. Everybody's been telling me about the Mississippi River levels. They're so low, and there's a drought affecting the whole country, and the USS KIDD, which is a World War II ship here that's on permanent display, it's above the water now. This ship is supposed to be submerged, and I thought I'd come take you out here to see if that's actually true. We are going to try to walk all the way down here, down this ramp of stairs, to see the front of the ship. The hull, I think that's the hull, guys, is completely exposed. And we can obviously see, even if you don't know about ships or water or sailing, that's not how it's supposed to be. You can see that we probably should not even be able to walk this far below down this ramp, but I think I'm gonna go try to do that for you. You should always take note that I'm very klutzy. This is a steep walk here, but I'm gonna do it anyway so we could get closer to the ship and see what it looks like up close, okay? All this area right here probably should be underwater. Who knows what we could find out here. Look, there's some other people enjoying the new ground here that we could walk on. I don't know what these people are doing way over there, but I may go check that out in a second. But for now, I just want to show you this ship and how low the water levels are. What could be the reason? I personally have no idea. Could it be global warming? Who knows? But there we go. We're so close to the ship. So these are the steps right here. Someone just told me that sometimes the water is all the way up to the very 5th step. So that should give you an idea of how low this is now. Look at these people. They're probably looking for treasure down there. And you know I'm not going to walk down there for you guys because it may be too hard to get back up. So these are what we used to call the paper clips. I think boats dock here sometimes. And now it's all rocky terrain that we can walk on and see. And this is another shot. Oops, here's some people in our video. It's fine. They were friendly. And there is the ship again. So we can see it was a interesting day to come out here.